Welcome to my viewers again. This lesson is about percent or percentage. This word percentage is widely used in our daily life. Every now and then we use the word percentage to compare two or more quantities. For example, suppose you got 80% in your annual exam and your friend got 85%. That means your friend is performing better than you. In medicine box, you find the composition of medicine is expressed in percentage. That means the ingredients are always expressed in percentage. Similarly, when we go to shopping mall, sometimes you see they offer sales. They gives a discount on their product. So you need to know the amount of discount on the MRP so that you can pay your bills. Similarly, when we borrow money from bank charges some extra amount, and this is expressed in percentage. This is called lending rate. Say it is 7%. That means if you are borrowing 100 rupees from bank, at the end of 1 year you have to return 107 rupees. You have to pay 7 rupees extra for every 100 rupees. Similarly, when we invest in bank again offers some extra amount on our deposit. That is called deposit rate. Say fixed deposit rate is 7%. That means bank will provide you 7 rupees extra for every 100 rupees. So what we learn about percentage? Percent or percentage, this word is coming from Latin word per centum. Centum means 100 or cent means 100. So percentage means per 100. This type of word terms we use in our daily life. For example, in cricket, when we say strike rate, that means the amount of score made by a batsman per 100 balls. So when we say strike rate is 80%, that means the batsman is making 80 runs for every 100 balls. So what is percentage? Percentage means part in every 100. Suppose this is a bar chocolate. You divide this into 100 equal parts. Now if you are eating 3 portions out of this 100 parts, then we call it 3%. 3%. Again, this is suppose another bar chocolate. You are eating 20 portions out of 100 parts. 20 portions. 25 portions, not 20 portions, 25 portions. So that means this is 25% or 25 by 100. Another bar chocolate, you are eating 2.5 portions. 2.5 portions. Half means 0.5. We say in fraction it is 0.5. That means you are eating 2.5% of this chocolate. Now when we say 1%, 1% means 1 out of 100. 1 out of 100. And symbolically we write it as a 1%. That means we eliminate this denominator by this symbol. So when we say 2%, that means this is 2 times of 1%. 2 times of 1%. Now we replace this by percentage symbol, we will write it as 2%. So when we write 25%, that means this is 25 times of 1 by 100. We replace this portion again, we write it as 25%. So when we express a percentage in fraction, say for example 80%, we write it as 80 by 100. That means when we eliminate this denominator, we use this symbol, percentage symbol. If it is 25 by 100, then we eliminate this denominator, 25%. So we have learned one thing, that a percentage can be expressed in terms of a fraction, or a fraction can be converted into percentage. So here we'll learn percentage into fraction or fraction into percentage. Say you are given this fraction like 3 by 5. So how will you convert this into percentage? Now we have already learned that a percentage is a fraction whose denominator is 100. So we will make this denominator into 100. So when we multiply 5 by 20, then you have to multiply 3 by 20 again, because if we don't multiply both the numbers by the same number, then this will be different from the given fraction. So we want to keep it equivalent. That is why we are multiplying both numerator and denominator by the same number. Here our intention is to make the denominator 100. So we got it 5 20s are 100, 3 20s are 60. That means it is 60%. Similarly, suppose you are given 11 by 25. Now we will convert this denominator into 100. Now 25 multiplied by 4, it becomes 100. So you have to multiply again 11 by 4. 4 11 is 44 by 100. So this becomes 44%. Now you see factors of 100. Factors of 100, 1 into 100. 100 is divisible by 2. 2 into 50, 100. 100 is divisible by 5. 5 into 20. Then 10 tens are 100. Now when you are given fractions like 1 by 2, then 4 by 5, then 7 by 10, then suppose 17 by 20, and 4 into 25, 100, say 23 by 25, or 37 by 50. If you are given fractions like this with denominator 2, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50, means all these denominators are factors of 100. You can convert this type of fractions into percentage very easily, because this 2 is a direct factor of 100. 2 is a factor of 100. 2 into 50, 1 into 50. So you got it 50%. Similarly, 4 by 5, 5 20s are 4 20s are equal to 80 by 100. That means it is 80%. 7 by 10, 10 tens are 100, 7 tens are 100. This is 70 by 100. That means it is 70%. Similarly, 17 by 20, 20 5s are 25s are 100. So 17 into 5, this means 85 by 100. This is 85%. Similarly, 23 by 25, you multiply 25 by 4, 25 4s are 100. This means 23 into 4, this is 92 by 100. That means 92%. 37 by 50, now 50 2s are 100, 37 2s are, this is 74 by 100. So it is 74%. So when denominators are factors of 100, then you can convert them into percentage very easily. Now say you are given another fraction 1 by 8. How will you convert this into percentage? So in this type of fraction, our intention is to make the denominator 100. So let us make it multiplied by 100. We will multiply both numerator and denominator by 100. Then we will write it as 1 into 100 by 8 into 1 by 100. We are just writing this 100 separately. So we are writing it as 1 by 100. Now you got it 100 by 8 into 1 by 100. Now we have already known that this can be replaced with percentage symbol. So 100 by 8 percentage. So 100 by 8 percentage, we divide 100 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 10 minus 2, 28 to the 16. You put decimal. 8 5s are 40. So this is 12.5%. Similarly, say for example you are given 4 by 15. How to convert this into percentage? You multiply both 15 and 4 by 100. Now we will separate this 100 from this multiplication. We will write it as 4 into 100 divided by 15 into 1 by 100. 400 divided by 15. Now this can be replaced with percentage symbol. 400 by 15%. We can express it in lowest term. Both are divisible by 5. 5 3s are 5 8s are 40. 80 by 3%. Now in mixed fraction you can write 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 2 over 20. 3 6 are 18. That means 26 and 2/3 percentage. Thus we have learned how to convert fractions into percentage. Now we will learn how to convert percentage into fraction. How to convert percentage into fraction? Say you are given 45%. 45% means 45 divided by 100. Now these numbers both are divisible by 5. 5 9s are 5 20s are 9 by 20. Say you are given 0.5%. 0.5% means 0.5 divided by 100. Now we will try to eliminate this decimal from this number. So there are only one digit after this decimal. We will multiply this by 10. Then you have to multiply the denominator by same number to keep it equivalent fraction. Now this becomes 5 and this becomes 1000. And then we can convert this into lowest term. Since both are divisible by 5, 5 1s are 5 2s are 0 0. This is 1 by 200. Similarly, say for example you are given a mixed fraction 2.5%. First you convert into improper fraction. This is 5 by 2%. Now 5 by 2% means 5 by 2 divided by 100. Now when we inverse this number, this becomes multiplication symbol. We got it 1 by 100. So this is 5 by 200. Now this is again, we can convert into lowest term. 5 ones are 1 by 40.